So Blockbuster did not have Sex Drive nor Pineapple Express, but we bought Pineapple Express.
Yes, we did.
Woo! So we are all good. We are very good.
And we're gonna haul ass back to your house.
This light won't turn on. I don't like this damn thing.
What?
No, the light on my camera.
It will.
No, not when you're recording, it won't.
What?
I know, it's fucking anal.
That's stupid. Stay green, bitch. Stay green or die.
Sick green or die. What does that remind me of? Oh yeah.
Suck dick and die.
No. Yeah, fucking asshole. No, flipping Across the Universe, where she's like, learn French or die. And she's just like, they speak French in
What
Montreal.
are we listening to?
I don't fucking know. I was trying to find something groovy.
More by logging onto our web.
Ooh, commercial. Ow! This is called grooving. In both. Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. No, you're never gonna get it. Not this time. Never gonna get it. My love. No, you're never gonna get it. Had your chance to make a change. Yes, sir. I give you the needy and not the greedy. That's right.